Well, we've got a pretty quick little video for you here. Someone requested to see this punch kit in action. It was an older video. It's been out there for quite some time about the punch kit. So I've got it set up over in the hydraulic press, and we're going to remove this pin. This hole that the pin is in measures 248 thousandths. The pin is a 1/4 inch pin, so we've got a 2 thou press fit on that. Okay, so we've got a piece of pipe here just for clearance when the punch goes through. Set that up underneath there, and we should be able to punch that out. Well, maybe we should be doing this from the other side. A lot less force would be required. We'll have to pump it down a little bit here. There, just about making contact. And we release that. And there's the pin, and it came out very easy. It should have with a 12-ton press. But there's a little demonstration, and I hope that helps. See comments for the original video link.